Have you ever wondered how to start your web development journey? Well, you've come to the right place. Web development is the magic that brings websites to life, and it's more important than ever in our digital world. It involves three main types of developers: front-end, who shape your online experience; back-end, who make everything work behind the scenes; and full-stack, who do a bit of both. The best part? No prior experience is needed, and that's the beauty of web development. It's a field open to everyone. Now let's dive into the skills you need to acquire. So, you're interested in web development, but what skills do you need to master? Well, web development can be divided into three main parts: front-end, back-end, and full-stack. Front-end development is about creating the face of the website, the part users interact with. For this, you'll need to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is the skeleton of the website, CSS gives it style, and JavaScript makes it interactive. Back-end development, on the other hand, is the brain behind the operation. It involves server-side programming and databases. You might want to learn languages like Python, Java, or Ruby. Plus, understanding databases is crucial. And then there's full-stack development, which means you're a jack of all trades, mastering both front-end and back-end skills. It's a lot, but it's also very rewarding. Remember, you don't need to learn everything at once. Start with one skill and then build on it. And before you know it, you'll be well on your way to becoming a web developer. Now that we know about the types of web developers, let's talk about some tools you'll need to get started. First up, you'll need a text editor. This is where you'll write your code. There are many text editors out there, but one of the most popular is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for short. It's user-friendly, customizable, and it's free. Next, you'll need a web browser to test your web pages. Google Chrome or Firefox are excellent choices as they offer developer tools that can help you debug your code. Now, these are the basics, but there are other tools that, while optional, can make your coding journey easier. Git, for instance, is a version control system that helps you manage and track changes to your code. And then there's Node.js, a runtime environment that lets you run JavaScript outside of a browser. With these tools installed, you're ready to start coding. Remember, becoming a web developer is a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. After setting up your tools, let's dive into the skills you need to acquire. Now, you're most likely pondering about where to gain such skills. Well, fret not. An abundance of resources awaits your exploration. Online platforms such as Code Academy, Udacity, and Free Code Camp serve as an excellent beginning. These platforms present courses in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and beyond, designed to cater to beginners. However, bear in mind learning just adhering to tutorials. It's about implementing what you've learned. How initiating your own projects, perhaps a minimalistic website or a personal blog. This will award you a hands-on comprehension of how each piece fits together. Also, let's not overlook open source projects. Your participation in these can provide priceless experience. You'll pick up knowledge from others, comprehend how large-scale projects are organized, and sample real-world coding. These resources, coupled with your commitment, will direct you on the path to becoming a self-taught web developer. Remember, everyone has a starting point, and every expert was once a novice. With dedication and the correct resources, you can evolve into a self-taught web developer. Your journey begins now. Now that we've covered the tools and skills needed, you'll be wondering where to learn them. In our previous segments, we explored the various types of web and the specific skills each requires. We emphasized the significance of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other essential tools. Furthermore, we discussed how you can self-learn these skills using online resources. Just remember, web development isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a journey. And as with any journey, it begins with a single so. Make that step today and embark on your web development adventure.